Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, I'm just coming to you from my super secret vacation location, and just making a quick video. I noticed in one of the posts, I think it was Tammy mentioned in one of Alice's posts about protein bars. I mentioned my rule about natural foods using net carbs and products using total carbs, and so that's the rule. Is if it's something you can pick or grow, generally you can subtract the fiber that are in that, and you just count those carbs, because the carbs that are locked up in fiber are not absorbed by your body. So for example, if a serving of broccoli might have 6 or 7 total grams of carbs, and it has 2 or 3, and I'm making these numbers up, but 2 or 3 grams of fiber. Fiber is a type of carb, but it is not absorbed by the body, so you can subtract that. So if something has 6 grams total and 2 grams of fiber, then for your counting purposes, if you decide to count, you would just count the 4. Okay, now on any product that is manufactured, it's safest to count total carbs, only because you don't know which ones you can trust and which ones you can't. And in my last live, I think it was, I mentioned the Mission tortillas that claim on the package to have 6 net carbs per. And I used to eat those like crazy because I wouldn't eat very many carbs all day, and I'd have 2 of those and make some sort of a burrito or cheese crisp or something, thinking I was doing all right, and it stalled my weight loss. And if you look at the total carbs on it, I don't have one here, but it's something like 20 grams of carbs, and a regular tortilla that size would have about 20 grams of carbs. So they just added a bunch of fiber to get you to be able to do the math to come out with 6. However, the ingredients that were in it were things that we probably shouldn't eat, and there was, if I remember right, some wheat-based stuff, things like that. Now, on those specific protein bars, I'm not saying they're bad. I'm saying that if you want to try them, if you go that route and count total carbs, I believe they had 18 or 19 total carbs in it. So that's about a day's worth. So if you want to be carnivore the rest of the day, that'd be all right. And they very well may have enough true fiber in them that they don't impact you. So that's the kind of thing where I talk about maybe getting an inexpensive glucometer. And the way a glucometer works is you test your blood sugar right before you eat, and then either an hour to 2 hours, or both, after you eat, and see how much your insulin has risen. And if you notice it rising more than if you just say had a salad and a steak, or a steak and broccoli, then you know that that had some adverse impact on your blood sugar. And if your blood sugar goes up, that means your insulin goes up. And if insulin goes up, that means you're storing fat, not burning fat, or at least not burning fat. So if it's a natural product, go ahead and subtract the fiber from it. That's safe to do. So broccoli, well, anything that's green that you're buying in the produce section, okay? So, and all over the internet and all the trackers have those built in as far as how many grams of fiber are in them that you can subtract. So natural foods, it's okay to use net carbs, which again is total carbs minus the fiber. And for any product, to be safe, and again, there are some good ones out there, to be safe though, it's best to just count total carbs. So I'm heading into the last week of my vacation. I hope everybody's having a great week, and Labor Day weekend. Today is Labor Day, so I'm not posting quite as much, but I'm checking in here and there, and still trying to answer questions when I see them. So if anybody has any questions, ask me or John, and Charles as well. Charles is out there too, and he can help as well. So anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video and clear that up. I hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.